Here's the little girls. 4 weeks old today. Oh, look at this little black and white girl. And here's the lightest colored one. Come here. What are you doing back there, hiding behind the chair? Where are you going? Come on. Come on. Come on. Get out of there. Go here, baby. Go over there with your little sisters. There they are. First time in the house. And we don't know anything about this. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, babies. Hi, babies. Look at this little face. Whoops. Not helping when you guys are so close. Dad's a good girl.